If Squarespace is not working for you, don't panic just yet. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest way to figure out whether the problem is on Squarespace's side or whether it's just an issue with your browser, cookies, or extensions. These simple checks can save you a lot of time and help you get back into your site quickly. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Let's get into it. First, the very first thing you should do is check whether Squarespace is having a platform-wide issue. This is important because if the service is down globally, there is nothing wrong with your device, and waiting is the only real solution. Right now, the official Squarespace status page shows that all systems are fully operational with no active outages. That means the issue is probably isolated to your browser or computer, so the next steps are the ones you want to focus on. Now, open a new private window if you're using Safari, or an incognito window if you're using Chrome or another browser. Then go directly to the Squarespace dashboard and try logging in from there. This step is very useful because private browsing usually bypasses stored cookies, cached data, and some browser extensions. If Squarespace works perfectly in private mode, that is a strong sign that your main browser has corrupted cookies or some kind of stored site data that is causing the problem. If private mode works, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies for Squarespace specifically. You do not always need to clear everything in your browser, but you should at least remove the cookies and site data connected to squarespace.com. Old or broken cookies can interfere with login sessions, page loading, and editor performance. After clearing that data, close your browser completely, reopen it, and try signing in again on the normal browser window. If Squarespace still is not working, the next thing to check is your extensions. Turn off ad blockers and privacy tools temporarily, especially extensions like uBlock Origin, AdBlock, and Privacy Badger. These tools are great for blocking ads, but they can sometimes accidentally block Squarespace's core editing scripts, including Fluid Engine, from running correctly. If the editor is stuck, missing elements, or not loading properly, an extension is often the reason. Disable them one by one, then refresh Squarespace and test again. If you want a quick way to narrow it down even further, try opening Squarespace in a different browser entirely. For example, if you are using Chrome, test it in Firefox or Safari. If it works in one browser but not another, then the problem is almost certainly browser related and not a problem with your Squarespace account or website itself. You should also make sure your browser is fully updated. An outdated browser can cause login issues, display problems, and editor glitches. While you're at it, check that JavaScript is enabled, since Squarespace relies heavily on it for the dashboard and editor to function properly. If you are still having trouble, restart your computer and router, then try again after a fresh connection, sometimes a temporary network issue. A bad browser session or a stuck background process can make Squarespace seem broken when it's really just a local issue. Once you've tested the status page, tried private browsing, cleared Squarespace cookies, and disabled ad blockers, you should have a much clearer idea of what is causing the issue. In many cases, one of these steps fixes the problem right away, and if it does, take a moment to re-enable only the extensions you actually need so your browser stays clean and stable. If this video helped you fix Squarespace not working, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more website troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.